Do you want to know how to draw these really cute doodles and how I organized my planner for this month? If you're ready, let's get started. Hi guys, it's ILVA Crafts and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I'm going to show you how to draw some really cute doodles that you can use for your planner, and also I'm going to show you my planner for May 2020. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and turning on the post notifications for all my newest videos. In this channel we make a lot of fun videos including vlogs, new episodes, crafts and art tutorials like this video. Now let's get started with the doodling. The first doodle is going to be a really cute flower. First of all, I'm going to draw on my doodles with my marker and then I'm going to color them with some markers. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to draw its circle. For the next doodle, I'm going to draw a really cute leaf. Now I'm going to draw it with my marker. Mushroom. This one is a butterfly. Let's do this. Is a snake. This doodle is based on vines. Alright guys, now that I'm done with my marker, all I have to do is to clean all the pencil lines with my eraser. Let's do this really quickly. Now let's start coloring the doodles. Today I'm using some colored markers. Alright guys, now we're done with the doodles and I hope that you like them and I hope that these doodles inspired you to make your perfect planner for this month. The question of the day is to let me know in the comments down below which one of these doodles was your favorite. Now let's get started with the planner setup. Alright guys, this is the planner that I'm using for 2020. I really like it. It's blue and it's red and it has England in it. And I really like it. If you want to see my planner 2020 and my planner stationery, it's this video right here that will be linked in the description box below. Now let's get started with the planner setup. Alright guys, this is my planner. Let's open it up. For this month, I went for a plant theme, as I did my doodles. In here, I've used a lot of plants and a lot of greens, and I really like it. As you can see, there's a cactus, there's bamboos, there's a lot of animals like spiders and butterflies, a toucan, bees, the snake, and a lot of flowers and colors that I really like. In the middle, I've just sticked this piece of paper that says May 2020. And I also stick this quote that says, "Feel your nature." Now let's start with the next page. In this page, I've drew some plants too, and this paper says Make Calendar. For 2020, there's a huge calendar for all the days. In here, it's a to-do list for all the activities that I want to have done for this month. In here, it's routine hacks like wake up early, study, have a lot of free time activities, and routine hacks that will help me through this month. In here, it's a top 3 tracker where I can write down the 3 days that I liked most from this calendar. In this page, I've done a to-do tracker which is very useful for me and I really like it. It has 9 calendars. Each calendar has an activity, and for each activity I should go ahead and add a tick for the things that I've done that day. And it also has a really cute quote that says, "By discovering nature, you discover yourself." In here, I've just drawn like a to-do tracker and all the animals and insects that I used in the first page. In this tracker, I will go ahead and draw each flower's face for my feelings that day. The legend is happy, sad, tired, and surprised. I really like this page because it's very colorful and I can't wait to see how the end results will be. In here, it's a really cute quote from William Shakespeare and it says, "The earth has music for those who listen." I really like this one. In here are all the weekly spreads. This weekly spread is from April 1 to 3 and it has 2 cactuses and the calendar. Right now I just filled up all the boxes and they are very useful. It has also this to-do list. The next page is the next weekly spread, which is from May 4 to 10. I haven't done this because we're not yet to 4 or 10 May. In here is this tracker I am glad for, and for each day I'm going to write something that I'm glad for that day. In here is this other quote that says, "I can be this," which means I can beat this or I can do this. Each day gets a space, a box. Here in each box I've drew some really cute bees. In here is a bee with a leaf. In here are 2 bees in love. In here is the bee queen. In here are some leaves. In here I've done some bees dancing, a rose, and a bee getting off the beehive. In here is my habit tracker, and in here I'm going to write down all the activities that I want to do for that week. In here I've done my bee tracker, which means that for each bee I'm going to write down their face and how I felt that day. The crown is for the best bee day. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the post notifications for all my newest videos. I hope that these planner tips and the doodles helped you to create your perfect planner setup for this month. Don't forget to check out my latest video where I created a brand new character. It will be linked in the description box below. And also don't forget to comment down below which of these doodles were your favorite. I have anything else to say, just bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, craft!